Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Term 1, PE in Health 10, DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Focusing on the family roles and responsibilities in preventing health issues affecting mothers and children. Let's begin. Learning competencies. Learning objectives. Establishing lesson purpose, activity, picture analysis. Instructions. Observe each pictures. Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Common health issues affecting mothers and children. Common health issues affecting mothers. Number 1, poor nutrition. Number 2, anemia. Number 3, pregnancy complications. Number 4, lack of prenatal and postnatal care. Number 5, stress and emotional concerns. Common health issues affecting children. Number 1, malnutrition. Number 2, infectious diseases. Number 3, incomplete immunization. Number 4, poor hygiene. Number 5, accidents and injuries. Preventive measures. Letter A, healthy diet. Letter B, prenatal and postnatal care. Letter C, immunization. Letter D, proper hygiene. Letter E, safe environment. Family roles. AMD responsibilities. Roles of parents. Roles of children. Other family members' roles. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Activity, who can help? Instructions. Fill in the table. Processing questions. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, our family health plan. Objectives. Instructions. Family action plan. Guide questions. Making generalizations, learners' takeaways. Activity, my 3 takeaways. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Activity, exit ticket. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Multiple choice. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.